Hello, welcome to episode 5 of my BMW E91 EV conversion project. So this week it's been very cold, so I've not done as much outside. I've been trying to avoid it. So what have I done? Took the fuel tank out. That didn't go to plan. It looked pretty easy. In the end, I got pretty annoyed with it. What else did we do? I tested the oil pump, wired the oil pump up on the GS450H. That's working. Dropped the prop shaft off at the prop shaft company. What else did we do? And done a bit of cleaning up on the brackets for the gear shifter. So not a massive amount, but enjoy the video anyway. Right, so mounted the oil pump controller. Just put some clips on to tidy this wiring up, but I've also got to sort this out before I can test it, so I need to put some longer wires on, and one of these is the PWM, not sure which yet, but that goes to Zombie, so I need to extend those wires. So yeah, I think that's quite neat there. I have the charger at this side, and yeah, heater probably up there somewhere. I think that should be good. Right, not done a lot this week, as you've seen so far, because it's absolutely freezing. Minus 0.5. Oh, it's below freezing. I'm just setting off in the electric Beetle I converted a couple of years ago to the prop shaft place. Oh, it's turning heating on. To shorten my prop shaft and put the GS450H flange on the end. So that's where I'm going now. Right, underneath the car. Hopefully going to get the now mostly empty fuel tank out. And it looks like it might be not too difficult. What's that? I think that's the handbrake line, so I might have to just loosen that a little bit and do a few bolts. And hopefully that'll come out quite easily. But we'll see. It's out. I'm pretty frustrated with it. Got a few rust spots back here. Just got to reassemble. Get some last bits of hoses out. That one's pretty stuck in. What is that? Chopped it in half. Still a fair bit of diesel left in that I couldn't get out. But yeah, that wasn't pleasant. So clean these up a little bit. Still need to put a bit of paint on them, but yeah, I think I'm just going to cut a little bit more out there so I've got access to this without removing that. And I think then a bit of paint, I'll call them done. What else have I got? So I've got the oil pump wired up now as well. So I've just got this connector and connected up to this little tiny 12-volt battery. And it does make a little bit of a noise when I start it. Try again. And just hit this on start. So you see, pump was trying to do it, and then this little battery just can't cope. And there's no oil in as well, so I'm not really gonna keep that running. There you go. So that was this week. I did also, I mentioned previously, I've been helping out on a Ferrari conversion. So I've been doing a bit of wiring on the battery modules for that. That's using an Orion BMS, and I'm not a big fan of those. They're using cell taps, and yeah, so I've not really filmed anything of that. It's just boring soldering. So yeah, next week, hopefully picking up the prop shaft. Depending, it's snowing again, so don't know what we're going to end up with weather-wise. May start positioning the transmission again to start the final mounting. Might not. Might do something on the. I still haven't tested the shifting that requires the oil pump, so we'll see. But like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Bye.